Hi, I'm Tanya Shardeen with Keller Williams Realty at 1932 Blakers Blvd and the Cypress Ridge community. Come take a look inside. This is a meticulously maintained 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home. Everything is on one level for convenience. You're entering the entry foyer with a tray ceiling. Tons of natural light in this home. 11-foot ceilings. Open floor plan with a large granite center island. Stainless steel appliances and a gas stove. The dining area features wainscoting and crown molding. Beautiful views to the backyard from the whole house. It's a gas fireplace, built-in bookshelves. The owner's suite is situated at the back of the house, so you have lagoon and wooded views. The front of the home has 2 bedrooms, powder room, and a full bath. Expansive slider doors to the screened lanai. Fully fenced backyard. Extra patio slab for grilling. Beautiful, tranquil views. Thank you for watching this video tour. If you have any interest in this property and would like additional information, please give me a call or text at 732-298-4194, or you can email me at tanyashardeen@kw.com.